For this video, it's hard to show you a typical sales process because there really isn't one way to do it. Sales can come from inside your organization or outside, from the maintenance department, from mechanics, or from salespeople themselves. In this example, I'll show you the sales process that occurs after a field request is generated from a mechanic in the field. The mechanic inputs on his mobile device or tablet the work that needs to be done, which then feeds the office this information. In this example, the mechanic Adam was trying to take an elevator out of service when he noticed that the key kept jamming and had difficulty turning the switch. Upon inspection, he noticed that the key switch needs to be replaced. After he completed his regular maintenance, he adds a recommendation to replace the key switch on a passenger elevator, as per the description right here. The recommendation then creates a field request once the service activity is completed. Since the field request is an opportunity for a sale, it then gets sent to Martin, who is the salesperson. Martin then creates an opportunity, seen here. The opportunity source in this case was a field recommendation. Martin sends an email to the customer explaining that they need the key switch to be replaced, which can be done directly from the opportunity screen, right here, under email, and would look something like this. The customer then calls Martin to request a quote, which Martin can create directly from the opportunity screen as well. Here is what a quote looks like. He can then add products to the quote. In this case, it would be the new key switch and labor directly from the quote screen.